Now, how safe is backup? Backing up your data is an important exercise. From a personal point of view, how unhappy would you be to lose forever all the pictures you have saved on your phone or your PC? If we're talking about all the pictures you took of your child as he or she grew up, those are extremely precious. It would be devastating for you to lose them. In business, can you imagine the cost and chaos that would result if they lost all of the invoices they had ever created? Not only would they not know which invoices were still unpaid so they could chase them up, but their tax returns would be impossible to create. Big trouble for sure. And that's why nearly everyone uses some form of backup, or should. But data backup comes in several varieties. The simple version of backing up is to make a copy of your data every so often and put that copy in another device that is separate from your computer. That way, if your computer crashes and loses all this data, you have your backup to use in your recovery. One of the problems with this one is that people usually don't do that sort of thing often enough. They don't back up often enough. It should be every day or even ongoing as files change throughout the day. But what if your office or your home burns down and you lose not only your computers, but also the backups? Disaster. That's why online backups exist. The theory is that you make copies of your data every day and back these up to a backup service where they look after your data in some huge data center somewhere. Some people have a problem with this one because they do not trust the backup service not to pry into their data. This can apply in particular to sensitive proprietary information that businesses might have. That's a summary of the world of backups, and it's important to note that all of the current solutions involve cost. Some businesses pay tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars a year to ensure their data is safely backed up. The ExoTech difference is that getting your data backed up can occur seamlessly and concurrently with your work. Simply set up to generate a backup every time your data is changed. Your system will always be complete and up to date, as your data is automatically copied from your ExoBrain to a remote backup ExoBrain that has been allocated for your use. The backup ExoBrains are safe facilities. We also plan to offer this as a free service for as long as conditions permit. And it's easy to set up. So when you click your Save button, it will save it on your ExoBrain and at the same time save it on your backup ExoBrain. In that way, you will be creating a continuous backup of that data each time you save it. And because all your communications are being sent through your mother ExoBrain, those communications are completely safe. This sort of backup is easy to set up and can be done by simply establishing the connection and then telling your ExoBrain to back up its data to the other ExoBrain. No fuss, just a simple result. And that ExoBrain difference will be welcomed by everyone when it arrives. Thank you.